Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's an update on the B&W 6100 transmitter I'm working on. So last night I was working on this thing, just trying to get 20 meters to go, and I was just had it on manual mode, and I was trying to tune up into the dummy load here, and the plate current went to infinite, so the meter pinned on plate current, and I'm guessing what happened was, I'm thinking the bias supply capacitor shorted out. So I didn't want to replace these capacitors because I wanted to keep it original, but I guess you should replace them as a good idea. People always do de facto no matter what, and now I can see why. So yeah, I think one of these capacitors shorted out briefly last night. Something happened. So anyway, I'm not sure what shorted out, but I think my bias went from minus 60 or minus 30 or whatever it is to 0, and then the plate current went up infinite. So they had these 50 microfarads in here at 150. I put in some 40 microfarads here, 40 at about 450 volts. That's all I had around. So put those in. These things were measuring at 30 exactly each one. So they had dropped 20 microfarads from spec. Anyway, I don't really care. I just don't want these to short out if they were shorting out. There is also some capacitors up here in the audio section. That had this odd looking thing in here, which was 8 microfarads. I pretty much had to crush it to get it out of the mounting ring, and then I put 2 new capacitors into the mounting ring here. I had to unsolder this ring and massage it, get this capacitor out of that ring, which was going like this. This thing actually, though, measured at 10 microfarads on each port, so it wasn't. This is like an 8 microfarad. It was trucking along pretty good, but who knows? Anyway, I have 10 microfarads in here now, and that's it. I'll see how this transmitter goes. Oh, I do see another victim up here I could replace. Didn't see that. That looks like a capacitor up there. Anyway, I'm not going to go nuts. It's good to replace the power supply capacitors. I haven't replaced the main power supply capacitor in this thing yet. I don't want to, but that one's pretty obvious when it goes. It smokes or it blows up or something. But as long as it doesn't affect my bias, I don't care, really. All right, so okay, here's some capacitors here for the high voltage, 40 microfarads at 450. Yeah, I got some like that. There's 2 of them in there. I could replace those, but hey, they're hanging in there for now, so I'm not going to mess with them. Unless I find there's lots of AC on the high voltage. I haven't tried that yet. I guess I could replace those, but one step at a time. This thing is still pretty sick. As far as 40 meters doesn't work. Here's the 40 meter coil here for the HF oscillator crystal. And some guy stuck a little resistor on there and then unsoldered it. I'm not sure why. When I touched the resistor over here to the coil, it goes in series with the coil and the thing just quits. So I'm not sure what the thinking there was, but I'm thinking the guy had trouble with the 40 meter coil. So yeah, the guy that owned this thing was a smoker, I think. It's got like nicotine and crap in it. Not sure what this thing really does. Looks like it's really been heating up. I guess I should check it and make sure it still works. Yeah, people have been hacking with the power supply in here with new resistors, which is fine. Makes me happy. At least I don't have to do it. Okay. So also I think the problem with this thing is this 40 meter coil down here seems whacked. The 40 meter second IF coil seems like it's really whacked, so I probably gotta pull this coil out, which I don't want to do, but geez, a lot of work. But I probably gotta pull this coil out here. It just seems like it's flaking out. I'm not getting any real output from 40 meters. I've checked the switches, all the contacts. Maybe I'll check it again. I'd rather not pull that coil out. All right, this is my update, and I'm sticking to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, this is the B&W 6100 transmitter. Let's get a action shot from the face of this thing here. There it is. It's for real. It's the real deal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.